Getting ready for Mojo, doing Black Bear and Imogene today, and I get the privilege of leading it because I'm the one who kind of organized it and downloaded the GPS track. So this will be fun. It'll be a great day. I think we've got 9 of us out here. So yeah, let's have a good day.
Scratching it, Joe? She's actually done really good so far. I can't say anything. I'm pretty sure I can hear Sherry in the Jeep behind me, though. I'm not saying anything. I'm just saying. Yeah, she's about got her head between her legs.
Ooh, that looks super cool. All the camera holders, you might want to take a look off to the right hand side as we crest the top of that.
Or down into the valley by the road.
Sheep crossing. You didn't have that on your bingo card today?
Not at all.
Alright, it's pick your poison through here, fellas. Stay to the right a little bit.
Couple of dogs. They have 2 black dogs also that are run down, and then these 2 white ones here.
That would have been a nice exterior video.
Pretty cool. They know just what their job is.
It's moving too much every time the time comes up.
I think your dog is trying to train you to stop throwing it so you don't have to go get it. Yeah, I've already stopped it throwing.
mountain passes are very scenic. I definitely recommend, if you guys are ever out in the area, definitely get up and run some of these mountain passes, because it's some scenery that you just can't see otherwise.
Catch up. This one's.
And unfortunately, we had some issues with the chase cameras at the top of the pass, so we ended up using a lot more of the dash camera.
Do I need the camera out for this?
But it seemed to work out okay.
No. Yeah, just kind of stay straight right here. You're gonna hit something maybe on the back right. Definitely gonna hit rails. I think I will. Stay, and I don't know. It's up to you. Maybe some nice footage.
I think you were on one wheel.
Just kind of take it down the center, nice and slow. More mountain bikers.
I don't know. That's your call. I can't tell.
I don't want to watch that Tahoe go down there. It really wasn't that bad, but if you put in a Tahoe.
Tell me what's going on my right side. I just can't see that way.
You're okay on the right side. You have a lot of room on the driver.
this view down the steps is incredibly beautiful, but if you're the one driving, please pay attention to driving, because it is very easy to mess up and the consequences are kind of terrible. Just go slow, pay attention to what you're doing, and try and enjoy it as much as you can. Is that my rail?
Jeff, if you see anything, just let me know.
Alright, next person can start coming down.
Stay back. You make plenty of room. Just make sure you can watch the vehicle in front of you.
Wow, that was really cool. I just hope the footage turned out as good as I think it did. We'll see when we get back home.
I didn't really thought this was that bad.
So how was it, Bob?
I don't think it was as bad as the Alpine Loop. I thought that was more sketchy than this.
Steps aren't as bad as it.
I was more concerned about that.
Yeah, we're coming.
All right. Black Bear is awesome. Definitely, if you have the chance to do it, you've got to get out and do it. Super awesome.
I thought
We made it. We made it. A little bit.
Oh, geez.
I had to give the hikers a ride across the water.
Thank you, Bob. You're so kind.
They were thinking about taking their boots off to walk across it.
It's like 10 feet. Oh, that's super sketch. You may kick that boulder over?
No, I'll probably push it out of the way.
You didn't even touch it.
I thought where we just were was Bridal Veil Falls, but it's not. It's over the other way.
Oh shoot, I didn't start recording again. Here. Right? Yep.
And that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to Stay tuned for the next one. I'm already working on it. I think you guys will really like it. Until next time, keep on jeeping.